Can you verify a Faceit account without ID? Answer is yes, you can. So first things first is open up any preferred web browser on your end, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. So the way you log in is different. So what you want to do is just by simply typing in Faceit, and then here what you want to choose or click is just click on this link that says go verify yourself. You'll just have to wait for it to load. Now once you're on this link, all you have to do is to click on this orange button that says verify now for free. You will be redirected to another link which CAPTCHA needs to be completed and then accept all cookies. And this is where you need to relog in using your Faceit account. So that's your last resort for you to be able to verify your Faceit account without ID.